Assalamualaikum grade 8, hopefully you will be good. We have discussed about active and passive voice in my previous lecture. Today date is 2nd September 2020. It's 41th lecture and day is Wednesday. Today I am going to discuss about present continuous tense. We have done present indefinite tense, and today I am going to discuss about present continuous tense. I just tell you the helping verb of present continuous tense. Rest of the rules will be the same. See, helping verb. We use helping verb is being, am being, and are being in passive voice of present continuous tense. We know in present continuous tense we have helping verb is, am, are in active voice, but when we change active voice into the passive voice, we write helping verb is being, am being, are being. We write third form of verb, we change pronoun, and we write by before object. These are the rules I have discussed yesterday, and just we will change the helping verb and the tense will be the change. See, I am writing a letter. So a letter, subject change into object and object change into subject. A letter इज़ बीइंग, अ लेटर के साथ हम इज़ लगाएंगे, ये सिंगुलर है. अ लेटर इज़ बीइंग रिटन, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, बाय मी. आई चेंज इनटू मी. आई को हमने जब ऑब्जेक्ट में चेंज किया है तो ये मी में चेंज हो जाएगा, और अ लेटर को हमने सब्जेक्ट बना दिया है. अ लेटर इज़ बीइंग रिटन बाय मी. शी इज़ सिंगिंग सॉन्ग्स. सॉन्ग्स प्लूरल है. वी राइट आर. सॉन्ग्स आर बीइंग sung by her. She changed into her, and we write are being as helping verb, and we write third form of verb sung. Songs are being sung by her. They are not helping me. So I am, with I we write am. I am not being helped by them. It is negative sentence, we make negative in passive voice. So I am not being, third form of help is helped. Helped by, they change into them. I am not being helped by them. Are you teaching him? It's a question. Him change into he, and we write is. Are change into is. According to the subject we write helping verb. So if subject is singular we write is. If subject is plural we write are. We write is he, him change into he, is he being. After subject we write being. If we have a question, क्वेश्चन में हम सब्जेक्ट के बाद बीइंग लगाएंगे. सबसे पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब आएगा इज़, एम, आर, उसके बाद सब्जेक्ट और फिर बीइंग लगाएंगे. इज़ ही बीइंग टॉट बाय यू. टी चेंज इनटू टॉट. ही इज़ नॉट ब्लेमिंग मी. सो आई एम नॉट being blamed by him. It is negative, we write am not. I am not being blamed by him. He changed into him. He is posting the letter. So the letter is being posted by him. He changed into him, and the letter is subject. Is being is helping verb. Post, third form of posting is posted. The letter is being posted by him. I am calling the roll. So the roll is being called by me. They are chasing the dogs. Dogs are plural, we write are. The dogs are being chased by them. They change into them, and chasing we write third form chased, and helping verb are being. The dogs are being chased by them. Is he abusing me? So abusing change to abused. It's a question. Me is written, so we write am with I. Me change into I, so we write am. Am I being abused by him? And sign of interrogation. He change into him. Me change into I. The subjective case of me is I, and we write am with I. Am I being? After subject we write being. Am I being abused by him? You are not praising them. So them change into they. They are not being praised by you. The thing you have to remember, the helping verb, the rules will be the same. Subject को object में, object को subject में change करना है. All passive voice tense has third form of verb. We write by before object. Just we are changing helping verb. इस तरह प्रेजेंट डेफिनेट टेंस में हमने इस एम आर लगाया था। कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस में यू हैव टू रिमेंबर वी हैव टू राइट द हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज़, बीइंग, एम बीइंग, आर बीइंग। इज़, एम आर हेल्पिंग वर्ब ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर है, लेकिन आपने यहाँ जब पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करना है आपने इज़ बीइंग, एम बीइंग, आर बीइंग लगाना है और थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगेगी। These are the rules. I hope you will understand and you will learn it by heart. I want you to do this homework, do this work on your notebook. It's your work. Allah Hafiz.